Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Sundara Max teacher. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganit Tutor MS. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. In this video, I'm going to solve the problem exercise 3.6. First problem, subdivision number 7, chapter 3, 10th standard. Clear? Actually, what they given in this problem? Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Clear? In the 6th to 7th problem, actually they given 10 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. Then second equation 15 by x plus 1 minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here they given these two are the equations, but it is not a linear equation. Now we can convert this equation as a linear one with suitable substitution of some other variable. Clear? Then we can solve it by, as usual, any algebraic method. Clear? So in this problem, first we can convert the given equation into the linear equation form, right? So in this equation, first equation, 10 into 1 by x plus y, clear? Then plus 2 divided by x minus y, that is 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to 4. So next step, second equation, this one, 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equal to minus 2. Clear? Now instead of 1 by x plus y, here both are same. Here also 1 by x minus y, here also 1 by x minus y. So instead of this 1 by x plus y, we can put some other variable to make this equation as a linear one. So here I can put 1 by x plus y equal to p and 1 by x minus y is equal to q. Clear? Then the equations became, now instead of 1 by x plus y is a p, right? So 10 into p, that is 10p plus 2q equal to 4. So equation number 1. Second equation, 15p minus 5q equal to minus 2. So equation number 2. So now we can solve this pair of linear equation by any algebraic method. Here I can go with elimination method. Clear? So in this elimination method, we can remove any one variable. Here I can remove the variable q. Clear? Now when I want to remove the variable q, I want to make the coefficient of q in both equations should be same. I want to make this, it should be same. So here it is 5, here 2. So we can find the LCM of 2, 5, that is 10. So I want to make the coefficient of first equation, it is 2, but I want to make this as a 10. Here also 10. So the first equation, I can make this 2 as a 10. So I can multiply some number multiplied by 5. Clear? So 10 into 5, 50p plus 2 into 5, 10q is equal to 5 4s are 20. Second equation, now here it is 5. So I want to make this 5 as a 10. So multiplication 2. So the entire equation can multiply by 2. So 15 into 2, 30p minus 5 to 10q equal to 2 to minus 4. So clear? Now I want to remove the q variable. Here already in a different sign. So better I can go with the addition. So plus 10q minus 10q cancel. Addition. So 80p equal to, now it is a different sign. So subtraction. 20 minus 4 it became a 16. Clear? So 80p equal to 16, then p equal to 16 divided by 80, then p equal to, now you can cancel by the 2 table, you can go with the 4 table. 4 4s are here, 2 4s are 20, again 1 4s are 5, 5 4s are, so 1 by 5. So p value we find out that is 1 by 5. Now we can substitute this in equation 1. Clear? Any doubt? So here the first equation is 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. Now in this equation, instead of p, you can substitute 1 by 5. So 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2q equal to 4. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Now 1 is a 2. So 2 plus 2q equal to 4. Next, 2q is equal to 4 minus 2. This 2 will go to the minus 2. So q is equal to 4 minus 2, it became a 2. Here also 1 2. So it is multiplication, come this side became a division. So 1 to 2, 2 to 1 to 2, 1 to 2. So q is equal to 1. Now we find out the q value and p value. what we assumed a p value in this problem, that is p is 1 by x plus y, that is p, right? So what is the y we assume, sorry, q assumed that 1 by x minus y, clear? So now we can find the x and y value from the equations. So what we find out in a p value, that is 1 by 5 equal to 1 by x plus y, then cross multiplication. So 1 into x plus y, 1 into 5, 5. Here you can mark as a equation A. Next, here what we find out here, q value 1. So 1 is equal to 1 by x minus y. Then cross multiplication, x minus y is equal to 1. You can mark this equation as a B. Clear? Now we want to find out the x and y value. Here it is pair of two linear equations, right? So again you can go with the elimination method for these two equations to find the x and y value. Clear? So equation A, that is x plus y is equal to 5. Then equation B, right? The equation P is x minus y is equal to 1. Now as usual, addition, y cancel. 2x equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then we can find out 2x equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 3. So we find out x is equal to 3. Now we can substitute this x in equation A or B, right? So we can substitute in A, not the first equation, right? So now in equation A, what is the equation here? X plus y is equal to 5. So in this x plus y, instead of x value you can put 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 3. Then y is equal to plus 2. Different sign is subtraction. Now we find out the x and y value. Clear? Any doubt? So it is a more important problem also. Here we can do the elimination method 2 times. Clear? Any doubt? If you want to verify your answers, instead of x and y value in first equation or second equation, you can put a x and y value and find it. Clear? Actually, instead of x and y value in what they given in a problem in that particular equation, you can put x value as a 3 and y value as a 2. Then you can verify the left hand side as well as right hand side. Clear? Any doubt? I hope in this video you made clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Here I will enclose a few problems for practice. You can practice the problem. While practicing the problem, if any doubt, you just ask in that comment. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all of you.